Hi, welcome to my video about sauteing the easiest tofu and vegetables. This is a tofu press. It's really important to get all the water out of your tofu, and I've tried lots of these, and this is absolutely the best. I will link to that. And I'm using my favorite spatula. It's really nice for pushing and getting like the tofu that has gotten brown and kind of stuck to the pan off. And I use it for pancakes. It's my all-time favorite. And so what I've done is I have drained the tofu for a day, cut it up, fried it already in just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and then to the pan I've added my sliced mushrooms, halved cherry tomatoes, and some green onion. I'm going to stir fry that until it's all done, and then I'm going to add my soyaki or any other teriyaki sauce, and it is delicious. Quick, easy dinner.